If you're tired of the mess, hassle, and backache associated with traditional mopping, this O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System is exactly what you need. Designed to make floor cleaning easier, faster, and more efficient, this innovative mop system lets you enjoy cleaner floors with less effort. Whether you're cleaning hardwood, tile, laminate, or vinyl, this system provides a deep, streak-free clean every time, all with just water. Key features and benefits. The standout feature of the O-Cedar EasyWring Mop is the hands-free wringing system, making it one of the most user-friendly cleaning tools available. The unique bucket design features an integrated foot pedal that spins the mop head without you ever having to touch it. The splash guard ensures that water and dirt stay inside the bucket, even when transporting it from room to room, making it mess-free and easy to maneuver. One of the biggest benefits of the EasyWring mop is its reusable, machine-washable mop head. Made from high-quality microfiber, the mop head traps and locks in dirt, dust, and grime, delivering a deep clean with just water. The microfiber mop head is highly durable, and with proper care, it can last up to 3 months before needing a replacement. Cleaning your floors has never been more eco-friendly or cost-effective. The O-Cedar EasyWring mop uses millions of microfiber strands to pick up dirt, grime, and bacteria. Unlike cotton mops that may leave dirt behind, the microfiber mop head effectively removes over 99% of bacteria without the need for harsh chemicals. This makes it perfect for families with children, pets, or anyone looking to reduce the use of toxic cleaning products. One of the most annoying aspects of mopping is missing those hard-to-reach areas, such as corners, along baseboards, or underneath furniture. The O-Cedar EasyWring mop features a 360-degree rotating mop head, which allows you to easily clean these tricky areas. Additionally, the patented triangle mop head ensures better corner cleaning, making it easy to get into tight spaces without having to contort your body or bend down. The telescoping handle of the EasyWring mop extends up to 48 inches, allowing users of all heights to mop comfortably without bending over. This means you can clean your floors without straining your back or knees, making this system a much more ergonomic and comfortable alternative to traditional mops. The EasyWring mop is designed to be safe and effective on all types of hard flooring, including finished hardwood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and more. Whether you're mopping your kitchen, bathroom, or living room, the microfiber mop head delivers a safe, gentle clean without damaging or scratching your floors. One of the most frustrating aspects of mopping is streaks. Fortunately, the EasyWring mop ensures streak-free results every time. The microfiber mop head traps dirt and dust, preventing it from being spread around. This ensures that your floors are not only clean, but also spotless and shiny after each use. Why you should choose the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Mop and Bucket System? Hands-free wringing. No need to touch dirty water. Spin it out with the foot pedal. Effective cleaning. Removes over 99% of bacteria with just water, no chemicals needed. Machine-washable mop head. Easy to clean and reuse, saving you money and reducing waste. 360-degree rotating mop head. Clean corners, baseboards, and tight spaces with ease. Adjustable telescopic handle. Mops comfortably without bending over. Works on all hard floors, perfect for hardwood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and more. Streak-free finish. Enjoy spotless, shiny floors without streaks. Cost-effective. Save money on replacements with durable, reusable mop heads. Pros of the O-Cedar EasyWring Mop and Bucket System. Ergonomic design. Adjustable handle for comfortable use. Hands-free wringing. Foot pedal allows for easy wringing without bending. Effective cleaning. Removes over 99% of bacteria without chemicals. Reusable mop heads, machine washable, and lasts up to 3 months. Versatile use suitable for all hard floor types. Cons of the O-Cedar EasyWring Mop and Bucket System. Heavy bucket, can be cumbersome when filled with water. Frequent mop head replacement, depends on usage frequency. Not for carpets, designed specifically for hard floors only. Final thoughts. The O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System is an essential tool for anyone looking to maintain a clean home with less effort. Its hands-free wringing, durable microfiber mop heads, and deep cleaning power make it the perfect solution for any hard floor. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or someone who values efficiency, this mop system will help you achieve sparkling clean floors with minimal hassle. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.